Hello, YouTube, and good morning. I've just woken up, obviously, and what did I find when I logged in to YouTube? I was tagged. You know, it's too early for a tag. It caught me by surprise. I was tagged by Nimrak03, and the tag is all about who is your crush here on YouTube, and if you were stuck on a deserted island, who would you rather stay with? Who are the YouTubers you would choose to stay with you? Okay, well, I admit I do have a few crushes here on YouTube. It's okay. I'm a happily married person, and it's normal. It's okay to have crushes. My wife has crushes. I have crushes, so it's okay. Here on YouTube, I have several crushes, several, and let me describe a couple of them. Well, I better not. No, I'll just tell you who they are right now. Okay, they're well. I'd rather not say who they are, because I find it. Well, it might be, it might be dangerous. It might be dangerous for me to reveal on YouTube who my YouTube crushes are. Because, well, if I reveal who my crushes are, and they find out about it and they watch this video, they might fall in love with me. Huh? They might fall in love with me. I mean, look at me. Huh? I mean, diba? So, I'd rather not say. Because why go to the trouble? Why go to the hassle of people calling and coming over and knocking down my door and wanting to do stuff to me and take off my clothes? I can't deal with that. No, so sorry YouTube, I won't tell you who my crushes are. So that's it. As for who I will take on a deserted island, if I'm stuck on a deserted island, who are the YouTubers I would like to be stuck with me? Well, I really don't want to inflict that kind of stuff to other YouTubers. I mean, would they want to be stuck with me? That's the question. Would you want to be stuck with me on an island? Hmm? If you want to be stuck with me on an island, just tell me, okay? I let you YouTube people tell me if you want to be stuck with me on an island, and I'll go running, really, because I don't want to be stuck with anyone on an island, really. But if worst comes to worst, and if it does happen, I'm hoping those people would be large, very large. Wait, I'll explain. I want them to be large because who knows, maybe I would get stuck on an island that has no food in it. No, so I might go hungry. See, have you seen those people on Survivor? No, you watch Survivor. Have you seen people there? They don't eat. They get thin. No, as the show goes on, they get thinner and thinner and thinner. I don't want to go hungry. See, so if I bring along, really large people, I'm solved. I'm solved from getting hungry. Because there's lots of meat. Oh, that doesn't sound nice. So this is a lesson for all of you who wants to tag me on YouTube. You don't know what you're going to get, really. This is a warning for people who want to tag me. I don't play nice sometimes. Really. So here, YouTube, until next video, thanks for tagging me, and you people there, I dare you. Sige, you tag me. You'll regret it.